Hey y'all, it's Corey with Everyday Man. Today we're gonna spend a day at the camp getting ready for hunting season. We got the old General here loaded up with some corn. Got the Teryx full of corn. We got a crew of a couple of young men that look eager to throw some corn into some feeders. Look how eager they look. Look at them, how cute. We got Lance here gonna give me a hand. So y'all enjoy the video. We're gonna spend the day. We're gonna go ride these things, put them to work, fill up some feeders, maybe go do a little creek riding. Y'all hang out with us and enjoy. What's that? What you making for the Christmas party?
A Jello shot tree.
Jello shot tree. Sounds awesome. Lance, you ain't got weapons and ammunition right there, do you?
Well, don't show people that.
Yep. We got two boys filling up the feeder right in front of the house.
I'm filling up a feeder right now.
Trying to figure out how much corn they're gonna get in the feeder and how much they're gonna get on the ground. What you said, the vet's about an hour away? Don't fall off the bike with corn on your head. Oh, this is gonna be fun to watch. Huh? Kyle, you could probably stand up on that roof here.
On the back edge of the roof, Kyle?
It looked like you're about to have a lot of corn on the ground, what it looked like. Oh, you got it. Well, you hear that sound? Deer coming already. Yeah, they'll get it.
You gotta let them do it, bro.
Yep, gotta teach them. I wish I could hear the conversation they're having.
There's a lot of intellect going on.
Right. There's a meeting of the minds right there. No, pull up. No, back up. No, pull up. Now they got it figured out. Now they got it licked. Get that corner in there. Now, Dave, when Kyle gets up there, hand him the bag so he don't have to bend over to pick him up.
Yeah, let him stand on the roof and you get in the bed.
Is the camp wench cooking breakfast?
Camp winch. You cooking breakfast? They're heating up that roast.
The camp wench. Yeah, they got it figured out now.
All right, Dave, hand him another bag. What I did last time, I put them all on the roof with me.
Yeah, that's the easy way to do it. So thankfully, guys, this is like our tallest feeder. So watching them do this is the hard one, but it's fun. The other one, you can usually reach from the bed of the bike. You don't have to stand on the roof.
We getting too old to be standing on the roofs side by side.
Oh, me and you?
Yeah, we thought we're definitely breaking something.
Sure, I'm hurting just looking at them already.
Already saw, huh?
My back hurt already.
Camp winch is back without breakfast.
Camp wench. Where's she at?
You ready?
I'm ready. You ready?
Make it happen.
Well, we're going down to my food plot. We're gonna see if the spreader works, see if we got some grass growing back there. We definitely got some beautiful ryegrass in the front yard that's come up. So yeah, we're heading down to the back. And we're gonna check it out. Get them boys to fill up the feeder. And that's what we up to. Got to see if them boys can get through this hole on that four-wheeler behind us. I got a lot of weight in this thing. Let's see if them boys get through behind us on that bike. Yep, they got it. It did fall. Got it. It's in my pocket. Yeah, I got some oats coming up. In fact, I got some clover coming up from last year too that I had in here. Man, them pigs are tearing up the edge of this thing good though. Y'all can come around. This one will be a little easier to reach, huh? You still got the knife?
You might have to stand up on the edge right there. Might give you a little more. Right here, yeah. There you go.
Well, they got some waltz in there. Got a little waltzy waltz. They won't for long.
Wood's starting to clear up a little bit.
Starting to thin out a little. Yeah. Oh, it's pretty back here. Yeah, my clover came up pretty good from last year. Yeah. Yeah, it looks good. I wish.
About right here.
Okay, that's fine. They'd hand him that top annual. Yeah, annual. I wish I could have planted it as soon as I dissed, but it worked. It worked. Hey, baby.
Good job, buddy.
You working hard?
many more we got?
Then we had to stand up on my ice chest, make it even a little easier for him on this one. I need to get a cane knife and bring out here. My pretty white ice chest.
All dirty.
Look, take the lid off first. I think you got to kind of turn it. There you go, like a quarter turn. There you go. Yeah, that's crazy woman. Look, she takes the ice chest out the bike, puts it down right behind it, and leaves it there overnight. The next day she gets in and back up, she's dragging this thing under the trailer hitch.
So how did it fare?
It fared out fairly well. Look, there's an Arctic plug right there.
I'm gonna cut it down.
No, don't cut it now. You're gonna spill. Hang it in there first.
Hang it over the side.
Yep.
Hang it over the side.
Let's put it on the side.
There you go. Now you cut it. Yep, otherwise you'd have corn all over.
Closest to the bottom, you move. Start pouring in there. Cut it.
Cool, look. I ain't even got a leg right here. Pig's got it.
Yeah. Hang on, bro.
All right. It ain't even hitting the ground anyway. It will. Yeah, it's gonna.
How many we put in?
Veronica got hit in the face with a bush.
However many fit.
She yelled at me. I told her it was Corey's fault.
It got to be my fault, huh? However many will fit in there, dude. I don't know if it's 2 or 3, man.
Probably 3.
Hill came out nice, babe.
Yeah, it looks good.
Got a lot of tracks to do, too.
Got a lot of.
You got a man walking through there. I saw his tracks.
Got a big boy.
Mm-hmm. Sorry, I'm gonna get him for you.
You gonna get him?
You ain't gotta worry about him.
Somebody gonna get him. We gonna eat him.
Like I said, we're gonna eat him. You can still hang him on your wall if you want, but I mean, you know how I feel about that.
All right.
I just like eating.
Yeah, you just can't send me them horn downs enough, huh?
Right, you can ball them for days, they don't get tender. Tried.
Man, making my skull mount. I did it for a few days, for a week.
Where we at?
Yeah, you got room for
another bag?
Oh yeah, you got room.
Yep.
Man, we didn't bring enough corn. I thought we had enough
I
corn.
told you we didn't have enough corn.
All right, have it up here.
Oh, how many more is in the bike? 2?
Actually, 3.
3. Oh yeah, we got enough. We got enough.
Yeah, then we gotta go put that feed up by the family pot.
You got a battle wound?
Your bike.
It got you? Lucky you ain't got a belly like mine, it'd be worse.
And we were at the camp and I first went for it. Okay, like in the middle, I was like, man, it's not pouring out.
No, you got to cut it all the way
I
across.
know, I looked over, I was like, oh Lord, I gotta really dig in there.
Yeah.
once I got on top, I realized I could.
Yeah, that's why I wanted you to stand on the roof of it. That other one's tall, man.
Yeah, your roof is sketchy.
You
I
don't-
stand
Yeah,
up
but
there,
it's
I'm like,
sturdy,
it's
though.
slippery.
It's sturdy though.
Yeah, you don't want to stand on this one. You can't ride on the corner. Dude, that thing whooping your butt.
Getting on you, boy. Don't let it treat you like that, bro.
What happened to the hole?
Look, it only gets worse when you get older.
I don't like the I don't like the camp trip.
I like camp work days. You just like camp hunt days, I'm sure.
No, not the fact they're working.
Look, we all just standing around. It ain't that bad.
You don't hurry up. Where's your parents at?
Right there. Oh, one of my parents.
I'm gonna find your daddy. I'm gonna slap
Oh, Jackie Gleason, huh? Boy, I know you ain't from my lawns. I get home, I'm gonna punch your mom in the mouth.
Was it library or lounge?
Where's the lid?
Ah. Oh, the lid, Kyle. Lid. Oh, it's behind my seat or in my seat, something. There you go. Very good. That slop hole back here.
Retention pond.
So y'all, before you judge me too bad on this little food plot, I was not able to disc it at all. I basically just threw ryegrass on the ground. I got caught by the weather. I had to get my tractor back across that little creek we had trouble getting through earlier before they got washed out too bad. So we just got some ryegrass on the ground right here, and it shows it is not pretty.
And this is my stand, y'all. See what he thinks of it? The glam stand. Doesn't look too glamorous.
Boy, they pays it tearing it up. I don't see nothing. Let me see if I can bend this without breaking it. Hogs.
Hogs,
I think this one's basically gonna hold itself up though.
There's pretty stout in there, ain't
Yeah. Maybe.
We may have to rewire it.
Yeah.
We may have to rewire it.
Yeah. Put some more wire on this one.
We didn't bring that with us.
No, we didn't. Y'all go back, run to the camp. They got some stainless wire. I don't even know where it's at.
Otherwise, just look everywhere.
Yeah. Look through the cabinets, look through everything. Wire and a pair of pliers.
Alright,
Something to cut it with, look. Wire like that.
alright.
It's gonna be silver, not rusted. Yeah, hopefully. The bar, just loosen it up.
Alright, give it up. Alright. Hold that in.
Oh yeah, that'll work. There you go. Dude, I ain't got a motor or nothing in this one. I gotta make sure I got something at the camp.
I saw a motor at the camp.
Yeah, I think I got. I mean, not the motor, the timer.
Oh, the timer?
Yeah.
I think there was a whole.
There we go. Now we cooking with Crisco. Let me back this rig up.
Well, you want to tie wrap that?
Yeah. Yeah. Man, what? Yeah. Yeah.
Dave, you doing this one?
Tape will be fine, I think.
Tape, tie wrap, whatever.
I think the tape will work.
I think we probably ought to tape all the joints.
Right? Oh.
You know why duct tape was invented?
Duck.
For the space shuttle. NASA invented it to make repairs on the space shuttle.
I think we're gonna have to fact check that right now. All right, let's back this rig up.
Oh, that's close enough.
All right. All right, boys. Was Veronica right?
I think she was.
I think she was right.
Women are never right.
No, women are always right. I've learned that. I should have listened as soon as you
put
said
this
it.
on there before they dump that corn?
Yeah.
Slow down.
Slow down. Slow your roll.
You know what? It's full. It's chocolate block.
All right, never mind. You still got my pocket, Kniffy?
They don't bring.
We putting 3 in this one?
Yep.
How's that silicone job?
Good. It works. They keep the water out. Now we got to go put together a whole nother feeder, huh?
Yep.
We got to come sit out one night and shoot pigs. Scare them off for a while. Pigs knocked it down. Yeah, I got it.
It's on there.
Yeah, it's standing.
All right, boys.
It's better than it was.
Fill it up.
Which bike you have? There you go.
All right. Lock the brake.
Ooh.
They got some gradu in there.
Wrong side.
Can you clean it out? Well, yeah, we didn't even open it while it was on the ground, did we?
All right. But we can take it down real quick.
Oh,
We
it's a
can.
lot.
What? It's
Huh?
light.
It's a whole lot.
Yeah, let's take it down. Back your bike up, Dave.
Give me one of these.
Yeah, they got some nasty corn in there.
Oh, I got some of it.
Yep, get in there with that pipe.
Break it up.
It surprisingly looks like the lead pipe.
You ain't got the noose in there, do you? Well, that must be a sweet son gun.
Yep. Fill it up, boys. Turn it up some. Smell a little better in there?
Everybody put corn up for me.
You can stand on your front rack right there. Come up on your front rack.
Or just hand it to Kyle. Kyle, you got the knife, huh? Blue moon? Blue moon.
Not at that price.
Yucky.
All right.
Hey, Dad.
Nah, y'all can go play. Y'all go explore. Go have fun.
Oh, we're done?
Yeah, me and Lance and Mama and Veronica gonna what you find? Oh, you found a pipe? Is it a straight one or a bent one?
I don't know. Look like a disc run over, 2 of them.
Yeah, I would imagine. Yep. I would imagine so. Cool, that thing chock-a-block full of mud.
But they still usable, look like.
One of them is. One of them. Nothing with me, no wiring stuff.
Yeah.
That is unlike me too.
They got wires in the. Not like metal wires.
Let's see. See if this one's any good. No bueno.
No bueno?
No bueno.
Is the battery any good?
Oh, it is good.
Battery.
This battery, El Dedo. And my meter's got a dead battery. I can't even check my batteries because my battery's dead. But this one's good.
Hey, what you doing? Acting like a dog?
Huh? Ah, we getting this feeder here ready to go. We might have to Google this one.
I remember. I thought it was really simple.
It was.
Is there a little test button on the side?
No.
No.
No. I don't remember how to do it.
You got it all set.
Oh, I know how to do it. Watch, I'm about to get to the seconds. And then, yep. There we go. Oh, that ain't working. Come on.
It's clogged
Quick,
up.
it's a quick in there.
It's a clog up.
Oh, they got a bee nest right there. Yeah, wasp nest. Here, hold this.
The walls on it? Oh, okay.
It was earlier though.
Yeah, I remember when it poured it in there.
You ready? There we go. That'll work a little better. Here you go. Thank you. Let's try this again.
Let me go stick my finger up in there.
All right. All right. Oh yeah, that worked. Yeah. Right. Yeah, this one's kicking. This one's kicking, chicken. You got it? Huh? Well, because I want it back here too. I want them all to work that good. You got the camera? You got the strap and the thing and everything? Okay, doke. A strap? Good. Thank you, ma'am. Oh, look at all the deer poo in this food plot. Them boys can pull themselves out. That fold is small.
Apparently they're really stuck.
I think that should be it. We'll see if that antenna's doing any good. I kind of like to get it up a little higher, actually. Let's see. Not what I wanted. That's what I wanted. Right there. All right. That should be good. I like it. You like it? I love it. All right, so Kyle called his mama. Him and Dad are stuck in the creek on their four-wheeler. So we have been dispatched to go see how bad they're stuck. Let's go check them out.
On a rescue mission.
Yep, we're on a rescue mission. Somebody, y'all can't get that thing out of there? Yeah, it looked like y'all tried. Y'all ain't even wet. When you try, you get wet. You ain't got it in four-wheel drive? They ain't got it in four-wheel drive. Knuckleheads. Oh, it's soft right there. Get off of it, boy. I tell you, it's soft right here where we sitting.
Yeah. You gotta get off of it though. You gotta get your body weight on it. You'll learn some pounds on it.
They were stuck. Poor babies, huh?
Yes.
Poor babies. Now let's go finish putting some batteries in. We might have to hit that a little harder.
A little sloppy.
Let's try and straddle the ruts. to make a run at it, baby.
Oh, goodness.
All right, hold on to your butts. Good God.
What is this, like the 5th try?
We gonna get it this time.
Oh.
We gonna get it this time. I tried that already. It's soft, soft, soft. That was fun. Let's get them coming up. Let's see if they got it a little easier than me. Oh yeah, he got a little more ground clearance than we got.
Is the dog still back there?
Think you got a little bit more ground clearance, huh?
Just a little bit. Baby, go shoot me in the woods right here.
Baby, you gonna blow out that stang? What up, Dade? Kyle, grab that cane knife.
Go cut.
Go cut all that stuff under that feeder. And that is why you carry a blower with you. So you did stand right there. So you can get your wife in there and clean them out. Hey, baby. Let's see what Kyle's got going on.
This would hurt you though.
No way, I'm messing with you, boy. Cut it up. Knock it all down. You got us clean?
Yep.
There's a teenage boy out of his natural habitat. He's outside.
It's a storm.
See that?
On angle. Okay. Cut on angle.
There you go. Don't just keep hacking at him.
Got it.
Nah, that works more better. Like Sunday morning. Chá, bom dia.
Not that.
Boy, you need to get off the PlayStation sometime. Kyle, what you doing? Like making tinder for firewood or something?
I'm trying to get this off. There.
Give me that cane knife.
Here. It's your feeder.
Nah, let's roll.